Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss how to manage your time while doing reading so that we can complete it within the time and also with full of accuracy and efficiency. Let's start with the strategy. Before start strategy, firstly we discuss about reading overview. Like there are three passages which is easy, moderate and difficult. But we don't know which one is easy, moderate and difficult. Each passage contain 13 to 14 questions and total 40 questions which we have to complete within the time that is 60 minutes. So how we usually attempt reading when we don't have any strategy for managing time? Like there are three passages, first, second and third, and each passage contain 13 question, 13 to 14 question. So here what we do usually do is that we spend approximately 25 minutes over first passage and more and less 23 minutes over second passage. By doing so, we spend approximately 48 minutes over first and second passage and left with only 12 minutes for third passage, which is a very minimum amount of time. So due to this minimum time, we unable to perform well with the full level of energy and concentration which is required for attempting a test. Therefore, this method of attempting a reading is not working and it leads to decreased band score. So here we discuss a strategy for time management which I used personally, and trust me, it plays a significant role in making improvement in ultimate performance. As we know, in reading test there are three passages but we don't know which one is easy, moderate and difficult. So here what we have to do is that we have to spend equal time over three passages so that we can complete it with speed and accuracy. Like we have to spend 19 minutes over three passages, as we spend 19 minutes over first passage and 90 minutes over second passage, as same as 90 minutes over third passage. So by doing so, we complete our reading test within the time that is 57 minutes and also get a bonus period for 3 minutes. So how to use this bonus period? So there are three ways where we can use it to make it beneficially. Firstly, we can use this time to clarify those doubtful questions which we have doubt while attempting. Secondly, we can use this time to solve those questions which remain unsolved within the time. Lastly, for those questions which we can't understand and have not enough time to make that understandable. So here we can use this time to make estimation for those questions. At last, we should have to make estimation in last 3 minutes, not in specified time. Lastly, we discuss how we can apply this strategy. As if we thought that we can apply this strategy only during the actual examination time, at that time it is good for nothing. Because in general, when we learn something new, it takes time to get a perfection in that. Similar thing happen in this. To do reading in this way, firstly we have to practice this strategy on daily basis so that it makes us habitual for the same. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like my video, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. All the best.